What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. By the way, I make my technical analysis on three ticker symbols. It is a leveraged ETF BOIL. And next one is natural gas spot prices and natural gas futures. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for these assets for upcoming week. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. We are on natural gas futures price chart and I made my previous video right here when we broke this range of support, and this range of support is nothing else but the lower border of this channel that I drew previously. I connected these three tops and projected to these bottoms, and this price action respects this channel pretty good. And at this very point, when we broke this range of support to the downside, my main assumption was that we have to land a bit lower because we have the next range of support at roughly $2.82 and we have to see some kind of reaction. But in general, if I connect, let me show you this in details. If I connect these several bottoms, let me show you like this. If I connect these several bottoms of the price action and these three, you can see that this line is a pretty good support range for this asset as well. And as you can see, we hit exactly the $2.82 mark. Then we had this bounce to the upside for about 4.5%. And we are retesting this range of support. So quite technical, don't you think so? Let me show you the natural gas spot prices. Here you can see a little bit different picture because we have the range of support, very strong range of support at the level of about $2.45. And right here, this asset is forming another channel, and I made my previous video at this point, and I've told you that most likely we have to see the breakout below this the lower border of this channel. But instead of the breakout, we retested two more times this range, and we are hovering above the range of support right now. But let me show you that the volume is quite low, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. And the third ticker symbol is ticker symbol BOIL. It is a leveraged ETF. And I made a lot of videos back from April till May of this year, till June of this year. And I have to say that I caught the majority of its movements. You can watch my videos in the description below, the list of my videos, and you can prove my words that my win rate is more than 75% on this ticker symbol, and we gained within just a couple of months more than 60% of potential profit. So, and what is the price action right here? What we can see right here? I made my previous video at this point, and I've told you that we broke the previous lowest point for this asset, and we are establishing new lower lows, and we established the new all-time low. And let me show you that on a 4 hours time frame, this asset is still forming some kind of consolidation phase and bullish divergence. And in just a couple of minutes, I will show you what should we expect next from this price action. And let's continue with the fundamental news. We are on fx3.com, and this article was published just a couple of days ago, and it's titled "Natural Gas Flat as Egypt Sends LNG via Pakistan with Global Supply Fluid." And let me quote to these bullet points. Natural gas prices fall further for November as a ceasefire is due to take place soon in Gaza. The US dollar trades in the red again for this week, erasing Wednesday gains. Natural gas prices could decline to $2.7 in worst case scenario. And I have to say that the main problem for now is definitely the anticipation of potential escalation of the Gaza's conflict. And on the other hand, we have this news from natural gas market movers. No supply issues thus far. And we have several bullet points, And all of these natural gas manufacturers, they don't have any issues with their production rates, and this means with the quite stable demand, increasing supply leads to the lower price actions. And that is why we have this decrease in its price. But let me show you this news. European natural gas demand rises as winter arrives. And this article was published just yesterday, and let me quote these bullet points. European natural gas demand is now rising due to cold weather, with colder temperatures expected both this weekend and next. European natural gas prices have risen in recent days due to higher demand, but were trading slightly lower on Friday morning. High inventory levels and steady supply of LNG are keeping prices subdued despite rising demand. And I have to say, let me go to this. Europe's weaker natural gas demand in the autumn is now rising amid lower than usual temperatures in most areas and freezing weather expected to last until early December. The forecast for many countries, including Europe's largest economy and natural gas user Germany, has been updated to expect colder temperature this week and next week, according to forecasts from Maxar Technologies cited by Bloomberg. And this is the reason why we might have some kind of bounce to the upside. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that this movement to the downside, I think we can clearly make a breakdown of this movement. And if my assumption is correct, on a slightly bigger scale, we have this is our first wave. Potentially this is our second. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially we might complete this third wave. We have to see another leg to the upside and another leg to the downside to complete the entire movement, and then we might have a much bigger retracement. And what should we expect next on ticker symbol BOIL? As you can see, we are forming a bullish divergence. We have higher lows on our side with the lower lows on the price section on 4 hours time frame, and we are nearing the apex of this structure. And this apex, I think we still have another possibility to hit higher target, and it will be the retracement to the fourth wave. And in this case, we potentially might have something like this. We might retest the upper range of this resistance, and then another leg to the downside, and then we might have a breakout. And this movement might be the lowest point of this retest, might be, let me show you like this, might be the bottom of the fifth wave, and we might have something like this, yes, from this point somewhere lower, and I will show you the potential price target right after I will have more data from the top of the fourth wave. But so far we have to see some kind of bounce to the upside that has to retrace the entire wave, entire third wave, from this top to this bottom. And the price target might be from $47.44 all the way up to $51.89, and which implies, let me show you, up to 12% to the first price target and about 22.5% to the second one. Let's switch to natural gas spot prices. And right here we are in quite tricky situation because we didn't break the lower border of this channel, and technically we still have a possibility to break it to the downside. But as you can see, the volume is diminishing. This means we don't have enough steam to make any movements in the direction to the downside. And in this case, I think this asset might hit a bit higher targets, but it is the most concerning part for me right now in this technical analysis. That is why I highly suggest you to stay aside from this asset for a while. Let's take a look on natural gas futures prices, and here we are, as you can see, we are reaching the range of support that I marked previously, and we have a little bit of price action right before the contract switch. And historically, if you take a look on previous contract switches, you can see that this asset had a decent jump to the upside. That is why we have a decent setup to see a potential movement to the upside that might even retest this range of resistance that previously was the range of support. Basically, it was the lower border of this channel. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.